This is pretty much the home screen of the application. Very easy AI tool to use. Here you just have a few AI styles which you can use. These are very simple to use. All you have to do is just upload, let's say for example this one here, upload a couple photo here, and as well the W option. Here you just upload a photo of yourself and you pretty much get these results. So very easy. Make sure the photo is very clean and you'll be pretty much a full body picture. So you can get the WWE results. So that's really pretty much it. And you have some other options down here. You'll be able to tap on this. Let's say for example you want to increase the video quality. You can tap on the 720p here. You'll be able to select the quality or resolution. Here, do keep in mind each resolution or the higher the quality and as well the duration, it does require more credits. So I currently get 20 credits for free once you first sign in or sign up on this AI application. Here you do get 22 credits for free. But if you're gonna increase the quality and increase the duration and so forth, you're going to need extra credits. Down here as you can see, you have 128p, as well you can increase the duration to 15 minutes, as well you can enable the audio option here if you want sound in the video as well. So as you can see here, additional 5 credits there as well. So that's really pretty much it for that there. And same thing applies to the text, the image to video. As you can see at the top here, you have different options, but all you have to do is pretty much upload your image and describe what you want to be done to that image or anything at all that comes to your mind, and you're pretty much good to go. So the text to video option, all you have to do is just enter your prompt here, and as well you do get the option to select the aspect ratio. As you can see here at the aspect ratio, and as well down here you have the quality of the video. You have the 720p 180p option. Down here you have the duration, as well you have the 10-second duration which you can use. And do keep in mind guys, each of these gonna cost you a bit more credits or stars I should say. Down here as well you have the audio. If you need audio or sounds in your video, pretty much recommended to enable this option here. So that's pretty much how you use this application, and once you've generated anything at all, it will pretty much be in the My Video section here. So at the top here, this is pretty much where you're going to get your subscription. You can either tap on the token option here to really purchase a few, I would say, coins, but here it pretty much will say 1 video token. I'm not sure what that does mean. You purchasing, I'm not sure how much credits they'll be giving you with this year. So all I have to do is pretty much tap on the option, and let's say 100 video option here. You can see your price for the 100 video option. Here we getting 2,000 tokens. Here we getting, as you can see. And do keep in mind, although they may say 100 videos, you already know if you enable a few features, it might cost a bit more credit. So they might just say, okay, you're using low quality videos, so you pretty much can get 100 videos and so forth. So do keep that in mind as well. And as well, they do have the unlimited plan. I'm not sure if they do give you fully unlimited. Usually this application doesn't, but this application does give you full unlimited AI video creation, text to video option for 3 days, which you can purchase, as you can see here, for only $2, which is extremely cheap. And as you can see here, that's really pretty much it. So if you have any problem with the application, just let me know in the comment section and I will see if we can help you out. Do make sure to sign in, and as well, don't forget to like the video. See you in the next one.